Welcome to the Database Object Creation lesson, where we explore the basic building blocks of PostgreSQL. Today we will start by learning how to create the most fundamental building block, which is the database itself, how to create new schemas and how to work with different schemas within the same database, and of course how they differ to the database. And finally, we're going to cover how to deal with table spaces, what they are, how to use the default ones, and how to create new ones. Okay, let's start with the most fundamental object, the database itself. In PostgreSQL, creating a database is straightforward. You just type the command create database and define your database name. In this case, we're going to use the name e-commerce. This very simple command creates a new database called e-commerce, using all default settings. Think of it as creating a new empty warehouse for your online store's data. To run this command, let's connect this Postgres user to our local database, using PSQL as a database client. Once connected, we can just type the create database in the database name command. Did you notice that semicolon at the end of the instruction? This is to let the command interpreter know that we finished the command and it can now interpret and execute it. Once we learn more complex commands, we'll notice that it's better to break them into multiple lines. So end of lines are not necessarily the end of the instruction. The end of the instruction is a semicolon. So if you forget the semicolon and hit enter, you just need to add it. Do not repeat the command. But let's see what happens if we do. Let's try to create another database, for example, CRM. So you type create database CRM, then hit enter without typing the semicolon. Notice that the character after the currently connected database, in this case Postgres, changed from equal sign to a dash sign.